Hi, welcome to the Children's Science Center Lab and tuning into our DIY series. And joining me here today for Science Squiggles. My name is Lahir and I'll take you through this fun activity. You don't really need a whole lot. You can find these materials in your home. So I have a permanent marker, any color will do. I have some washable markers, also any colors, and then some dry erase markers. And then we'll need some water. And we chose to use a ceramic tile and a bowl, but you can actually get one of these giant Pyrex bowls, or if you have a dish, that's even better. A flat surface, really, that is ceramic or glass works perfectly for this. So what are we doing? So on our little ceramic tile, we drew a little person, right? So this was drawn in our orange Sharpie, our orange permanent marker. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some friends to our ceramic tile. I'm gonna add in blue. I'm gonna do a blue person. Draw a red stick figure as well. And then in our black dry erase marker, I'll draw this person. So you can see I've got 4 stick peoples on my ceramic tile. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this in our bowl and we're gonna watch the magic. So Science Squiggles, we're trying to make art move. So I'll take my water and I'm going to pour this directly on my tile. I want to see what happens to the different colors and stick figures and markers. So immediately you could tell that our two washable markers, red and blue, kind of dissolved into the water, right? They kind of mixed into the water there. But then our orange stick figure didn't move at all. It didn't budge. It's still hanging out on the ceramic tile. If I lift this guy out and take it out of there, I'm left with a dry erase and I can move the bowl around and he'll get separated there a little bit. That's okay, but they can dance or squiggle around. So why is that happening? So let's talk about the science behind these markers. So I have our permanent marker, our washable marker, and our dry erase. So our permanent marker is alcohol-based, rubbing alcohol-based. So it has a very strong adhesive because that's what allows it to stick to the surfaces. So when you're, if someone sees you writing with Sharpie, they're always like, wait, no, don't use that, it can't come off. That's because it has a very strong adhesive. Unlike our washable marker, which it's in its name. You can wash it off. If you get it on clothes, on the counter, you can easily take a napkin to it and it'll wash right off because it is water-based. And that's why people say this is safe for us to use and color with. And then our dry erase markers. That's the ones that you can easily wipe off any surface when you're writing on it with them. That's because they have not a strong adhesive, but it is also alcohol-based, like our Sharpie, so it does not mix with our water. So these two, when you saw the tile inside, the Sharpie didn't come off, and the dry erase didn't mix with the water, but it is floating around in there. Versus our washable marker, because it is water-based, mixed with the water as well, and dissolved into it. So it'd be a neat activity to try at home if you had another glass dish or anything else, and try out your different markers, try out different brands of markers to see how they interact with them too. But I hope you have a fun day testing out these science activities. Bye.